When we first bought our house in 2021, one of the first things we noticed when we came to look at it was that the driveway was a mess. A portion of it was in about 5 different pieces. You could still drive on it, but it didn't look good. And it was questionable, how long is it going to stay at one level, because it was kind of in 4 different levels. It was excellent because Rob, the salesman, stayed in touch with me. He answered me immediately if I emailed him or texted. Derek came with his partner, and he was lovely. He explained everything to me, and every time I came out, they were working. Okay, they weren't fooling around, and when I did come out, he stopped what he was doing and he answered any questions that I had, and they kept working, they kept working, and they kept working, and finally he came and said, it's done. So it was all done in one day, and that saved us from having to be here on Friday, and we're very happy with it, especially the parts that had started to cave in. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know how repairs were done, but LRE they responded to me immediately. Again, the salesman came and explained how the work is done. I know you all do a lot more than just driveways, but as far as if you've got any issues with your driveway, I would give it a 10. Actually give it a 10. I enjoyed the experience, the people that I worked with, and the job results, absolutely.